And you're like supposed to like drag it. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go meet a friend for lunch. The perks of working for yourself, being able to take a midday break. Linus knows that when I put on real clothes, it means I'm leaving, so he runs to his kennel, which is both appreciated and irritating. Okay. I absolutely love this sweater, solely because it was like, we went to the best Target of all time. It was actually in Anaheim. I was visiting my grandma. Long story. We were in Anaheim and we went into Target on New Year's Eve and I got this. Actually, we got a lot of stuff. This was the best find. Couldn't find it online, nothing. So glad I bought it. It's such nice quality. Jewelry wise, just putting on my silver necklace. I'm a big silver girly. Okay. Do we go out of the box fragrance wise or do we do everyday? Literally, can't even see. Let's beauty girl it. This has been my everyday scent since forever. Literally, people smell that and they go, oh, Ashley. Love that. You know what? We're matching the dog. It's called Taunt. And it's from Deadcool. I say matching the dog because yesterday I gave the dog a bath and he uses the Taunt shampoo. It's actually the only shampoo. We tried a couple different ones. It's the only one that I actually really love for pets. It lathers well, it rinses well. Great shampoo. This is from the same brand. It's kind of gunky. This is Milk from, like I said, the same brand, Deadcool. And it is like the perfect layering fragrance. Jesus. I have the milk laundry detergent, and that's what I wash my sheets in. It smells so good. It smells clean, fresh. It's like a fragrance hug. Best way to explain it. Okay. Shoes. We go Air Force. I don't know, it's a little more taupe. We could go Dunk. Is that too matchy? I'm wearing like a long bootleg Levi's. You could just go classic Dunks, or I could go, let's go Vejas. Although I watched a 2020 and they were identifying people by the shoes that they were wearing. Someone was wearing a Croc to a murder scene. Terrible idea. Not that I have any information or experience, throwing that out there. Someone wore like a Samba and they were like, and another shoe, unidentifiable. And they showed the print and I was like, I know what that is. I have those shoes. But hey, alas, here we are. It's really cold out. Necessaire. I'm throwing things. It's the one thing about these. I use, this is just chaos. This is what's Necessaire hand cream. Whoop, that was a lot. Okay, let's go take some donations, go have lunch, run to Target for a pickup order, and do a return, an Amazon return. Okay, let's go. get this all loaded to take it to donate. Don't ask. Not amused. Okay, we're back in the office so I can get some stuff done. Just tuck some of this stuff away. It's just still so messy. Just stuff I need to deal with. But in the meantime, I'm sure you've seen this. It is literally everywhere on social media. But it is so good. It's so good. I slowed it down to 2.0 speed because I like wanted to really enjoy it and not just like blow through it. But it's so good. Anyhow, I'm going to try and bust a proposal out for a potential client. Her business sounds really great, really interesting. I really want to work with her. So I'm going to open up, you think? Okay, got it. Just heavy out a little bit. Do that, send that off because it is Thursday and I typically do not work on Fridays. I have so much stuff to do still, but Fridays are house project days. Otherwise, this is just going to stay looking like this. The dog is trying to tell me it's dinner time. It's not. It is time to get stuff done. This is actually taking me longer than I anticipated because I want it to look really good. So let's pause and let's go make dinner. Tonight's dinner is the sweet and spicy gochujang chicken bowls from the Skinny Taste Simple book. This book has so many good recipes. It says it serves 4. There's 2 of us. That's all we need. And oh, it's thighs. We're using breasts. Already, we're making substitutions. So that'll be fun. 6 inches from heating and preheated the broiler to high. Line a sheet pan of foil. Pat the chicken pie and olive season with salt. Place on the prepared sheet and broil until brown on both sides. Cook through them. Center about 5 minutes per side. Is that really what we want? Okay, maybe we'll just like pound them out. Yep, I just said that. Maybe we'll do something. Need to be refrigerated. Refrigerate after opening. There we go.
Hello?
Hi, there we go. I was like, it literally sounded crazy. It sounded like... Bubby, what you doing?
Locks and blend and sweat while the top stays dry, keeping you up to 100% leak and odor free. See what foam can do for you. Skin that's healthy only wears Pampers. Our wide selection of Toyota certified used vehicles.
Alright, this is a very Ashley outfit. We're talking jeans, a casual tennis shoe, button-up shirt. Maybe I'll put like a field jacket over the top. Did not think this out. It's also really cold. You know what? It's fine. The front I'm seeing is literally, the best way to explain this is my favorite sorority sister, Sarah. She's the best. I just don't see her that often. So I'd like to look presentable, but also like, this girl has seen me at my absolute worst. Okay, I am back, I am home with a little bit of a headache. Put my hair up. Should I be putting my hair up if my head hurts? Probably not, but I also don't want it in my face, so up it goes. Get some water, that'll probably help. Let's go see what we can do. Checking on my computer. Checking in with my emails. If you can hear them in the background, that is Bluey, because my dog was watching. We had Bluey on in the background while I was gone. It was a nice catch up though, I will say that much. Let's start with water. I can't even tell you the wild goose hunt I just went on. So I had my AirPods, great. Where's the other one? I remember this morning I set it down or I pulled it out and I was like, oh, I need to put this back in the case, but I didn't. And I was like, that's a problem for future Ashley. Well, hi, hello, future Ashley here. I was like, where's my other AirPod? So go into the app, find my AirPod. And I play it and I'm like, the sound is so muffled. And I'm like, okay, that's weird. Normally I lose the case, not the AirPod. Like normally I'm like using the AirPods and I'm like, where did I set down my case? No. I just had to dig through my laundry hamper to pull it out of a hoodie pocket to find it. I'm glad I didn't go through the wash. If you know me, you know I have a history of washing my phone. So I guess let's put AirPods on the list. Okay, let's get some work done. Actually, I'm gonna do some shredding. Wanna come shred? Shred. The funny thing about this shredder, my best friend was looking through shredder reviews on Amazon, and this one literally had a listing. Someone did a review and they were like 5 stars, shreds like Brink. And if you're a child who grew up on Disney Channel original movies, DComs, if you will, that is a blast from the past. And she was like, sold. And I can confirm, the shredder does in fact shred like Brink. So thank you, Amazon Basics. Sometimes you really pull through.